Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can find your own or any other user's ID on Discord. So let's get started. Now it is actually fairly simple, guys. Let's say you would like to check out your own user ID on Discord. Simply click on your profile here in the bottom left corner while being logged in, and next select copy user ID from the drop-down menu to copy user ID. Now you can paste your user ID, for example, in a Word document to save it. And you can do the same with any other user in your friends list here on Discord. Simply right click on your contact and select copy user ID from that drop down menu. Now guys, one important information to add: you will only be able to see and to copy user IDs, be it your own or of any of your contacts, if you have enabled developer mode here on Discord. And you can do that really quickly by heading over to your account settings, by clicking on that gear icon here in the bottom left corner, by heading over to the advanced settings here, and by enabling developer mode. If you turn off developer mode, you won't be able to see or to copy any user IDs. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.